Hi, I'm Günther Blöschl. I'm a hydrologist with the Vienna University of Technology in Austria and the current president of IAHS. I want to talk about the new Unsolved Problems in Hydrology initiative of the IAHS. Progress in hydrology is currently hampered by the rather fragmented research, and I believe we need stronger harmonization of research efforts. An example of how this can be done has been shown by mathematician David Hilbert. He set out 23 unsolved problems at the beginning of the 20th century, which have greatly stimulated focused research in mathematics. Can we do something similar in hydrology? I am proposing IAHS to facilitate the compilation of a list of unsolved scientific problems in hydrology. What are the unsolved problems in hydrology that would revolutionize research in the 21st century and raise the level of excitement for the science? To make tangible progress, the problems should ideally relate to observed phenomena and why they happen. They should be universal, that is, not only apply to one catchment or region, and they should be specific, so there is hope they can be solved. I'm illustrating this by an example. The problem is, why is root zone storage related to dry spell duration? So first, what is the phenomenon? We have observed that the global spatial pattern of root zone storage match those of the dry spells. We may hypothesize why this is the case and test that hypothesis. We may eventually also ask other questions related to methods, such as what and how questions, but why questions are probably more helpful for making progress. Second, the example of root zone storage is a universal phenomenon. It happens everywhere, not just in my backyard, so it qualifies for our set of problems. Third, the problem should be specific, similar to a science question in a research paper or proposal. Root zone storage and dry spells are specific. A problem that would not be specific is how is the land surface linked to the atmosphere? This problem does not qualify. It is too general. The outcome would be a set of unsolved scientific problems in hydrology, perhaps 23 problems like Hilbert. The list should not encompass everything we are doing in hydrology, so we need to set priorities. Once established, the list can be used within IAHS to align symposia planning and other events. It can of course also be used by everybody in hydrology for supporting project proposals and more generally conducting focused research. The planned procedure is as follows. IAHS is now starting this forum to facilitate the discussion. All IAHS members are invited to join, and so are all sister disciplines and partners and all hydrologists. The IAHS commissions and working groups are tasked with streamlining the discussions and coming up with 3 unsolved problems each. In November-December 2017, we will continue the discussion on the forum. In January 2018, we will discuss the procedures for selecting the most important problems. In February-March 2018, we will implement the procedures and come up with a short list of problems. On the 14th of April 2018, after the EGU assembly, we will meet in person in Vienna to make a final selection based on the forum outcomes. That meeting is open to all hydrologists. Once established, the list of unsolved problems in hydrology is ready for use to better link hydrological research around the world and to make more tangible, coherent progress in hydrology. Many thanks for listening, and I'm looking forward to discussing with you on this forum the unsolved problems in hydrology.